is crazy. This is at 35th Avenue in Tacoma. Look, this is how deep it is. Wow. These houses are going to be flooded. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's like running through a river. Woo! It is a river. Oh my God. Ugh. Look at this. Just got hit by a wave. Any much more, man. These houses are going to be in water. Well, nobody's lower than this. You can't see the curb. This guy here. Look at this house. Water's all the way up in their drive. Don't hit them, guys. This is 35th Avenue and Thunderbird. I am doing not very fast.